Hi guys, wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. It is Ballecia and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to come on here and bring to you excuse me. Should I restart this video? I'm not. Okay, we all clear our throats sometimes. Okay, I just wanted to come on here and bring you a job from Continuum Global Solutions. It'll be more than one jobs. You'll get the hang of the video once I start. I'm not just gonna focus on one country because we do have international viewers. And specifically, I do have my fellow Jamaicans asking for jobs, so we're gonna review one of those in details. Okay, now before we get into everything, again, we have a word of encouragement, a word of motivation, a word for the day, if you may. Okay, and it will be taken from the Bible. Now, today's word is coming from Romans 15, verse 5, from the King James Version. It goes, "Now the God of patience and consolation grant you to be like minded one toward another, according to Christ Jesus." If we're reading from the New Living Translation, it goes, "May God, who gives this patience and encouragement, help you live in complete harmony with each other, as is fitting for followers of Christ Jesus." Be blessed. Okay, now let's get right into the career. Now, this is their career overview page. I'm going to definitely leave the link as I always do. All right, it's showing that they have careers within the US, available jobs within the US, Latin America, Europe and the Middle East, and Asia Pacific. Okay, so if you're located in any of these geographical locations, you can definitely check search by location and you'll be able to see if they have any openings in your country. If you should scroll down some more, you see US jobs, Caribbean, Latin America, Europe, Middle East, and so on and so forth. And they have a map right here that shows you everything. Now, if you are like me and like to work remotely, you can search by location, not entering your country. But say, for example, I did a search before. You can use these keywords: remote, click search. Now, when you use the keyword remote and click search, you'll see 1 to 3 jobs available. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's what's showing right now. Now, just because you use remote and see these 3, do not stop there. I encourage you to go on and use other keywords that will basically equate to you working from home or remotely. Okay, so if remote only brings up 3, you can look at those, of course, but then you can also type in work from home. That's another keyword and search. Now we're getting 10 jobs showing as available. Okay, so you can click work from home and it will bring 10 jobs up. That's saying, work from home options are available there. You can use the word virtual. I didn't try this on this specific website, but let's see if anything comes up. It's still saying 1 to 10 jobs. Okay, available with the keyword virtual. So just wanted to give you that point. I did give this point in some of my previous videos, but it's been almost a year. So just doing it again. Hope it helps. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look right here. I did do a filter and it's showing some of the jobs in the US, the Caribbean, for example, Jamaica, St. James, Austin, Texas, so on and so forth. We are going to go ahead and review the job available in Jamaica. I'm saying a lot. Yeah. Oh my God. Anywho, all right. But before I get into that, I wanted to definitely shout out my company, Laddy Holistics. Okay, you can go ahead and check us out. I really do appreciate everyone that has shopped with us so far. And for everyone that's telling others about our brand, and for your feedback. We love reviews, we love feedback. Even if it's a negative feedback, we do take that as a learning lesson so that we can go and improve our products, improve the website, whatever feedback it is. We do love constructive criticisms, okay, or feedback. As long as they're constructive, I welcome them as a business owner. So, yeah. But I'm glad that you're enjoying the products, guys. We have products for those suffering with eczema, acne, psoriasis, dry scalp, itchy scalp, product buildup, dry skin, itchy skin. and so on. So if you have questions before purchasing, I'm always available to answer them. You can just go to this chat right here. It will either be me or one of my family members that will be answering you. But we do love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Now I'm rambling on. Okay, let's get back into the video, shall we? But go ahead and check us out, okay? All right, let's get back to the video now, or back to the jobs. Now, the job that I'm going to review is that of an analyst position, okay, a finance modeler, and it's remote in Jamaica. Now, let's take a look at the description. Who is Continuum, right? A Continuum Global Solutions, or vision is to be the leader in customer experience by connecting the right people with innovative solutions to deliver outstanding results. We will empower and support our employees to reach unimaginable heights while growing our business to make a global impact. Our can-do culture works together to make the ordinary exceptional. Okay, so that's what they are. They're going to talk about this right here. You can go ahead and read that. Now, for the job summary, they're saying that we are seeking an experienced, talented, and analytical finance modeler to join our dynamic finance team. As a finance modeler, you will play a crucial role in developing, maintaining, and analyzing financial models to support new business pricing and strategic decision making. You will build conceptual models that will help steer the financial investment decisions of our organization. If you have an exceptionally strong background in finance, exemplary quantitative skills, and in-depth experience in contact centers, we encourage you to apply. Okay, and as you can see right here, it says that the position will be remote, and these are your job responsibilities. You're going to be doing financial modeling, forecasting and budgeting, data analysis, scenario analysis, risk assessment, contact center insights, collaboration, and reporting. Now, additional requirements, okay, would entail job knowledge, skills, and qualifications. They want for you to have a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related field. You need to be C2 level English proficient. Okay, so they're also looking for you to have experience. A minimum of 4 years is experience as a finance modeler or similar role. Minimum of 4 years is experience in contact centers / business process outsourcing. Technical skills. They're looking for you to be proficient in tools such as Excel, Python, R, etc. Strong quantitative and analytical abilities, knowledge of statistical methods and data visualization. And of course, every job wants you to have some form of soft skills, excellent communication and presentation skills, detail oriented and able to work independently. Problem solving mindset. All right. Certifications, relevant certifications, that will be CFA or FRM. Those are a plus, not required, but a plus, like a bonus. Okay. These are the benefits: competitive pay based on experience, positive work culture, stable full-time employment, company paid health and life insurance benefits, opportunity for professional development. Now, you can go ahead and read the rest, guys. I did not see where they spoke about pay. But normally, if I go on a job site and I do not see them talking about pay, I, for example, copy this. And you can do like a general search, like in Google, for example, pay rate, right? Okay. And this is what the ZipRecruiter is giving an average as it relates to how much it pays. Okay. Maybe we can put the specific employer's name, like Continuum Global Solutions. So we can put that in. Let's do that search together, shall we? Continuum Global excuse me, Solutions. Okay, and let's see if it's gonna give us. Well, Indeed came up. Let's do Glassdoor. I'll scroll down right here. That's for like account advisor. We're looking for finance modeler, right? It's not really showing that specific job, which is finance analyst finance modeler, but it is showing account advisor, which it says $16 to $21 per hour. But I wanted it to show this exact career field that we're applying for. Now, what I'll do in this sense is that I would go off of here then. Okay, financial modeling analyst salary. So the top earners would earn within this bracket. 75th percentile will earn here average, and then you have the 25th percentile. So this gives you an idea of how to negotiate your pay. A lot of times employers ask what's your asking salary. From my culture, it's a little bit of a uncomfortable questions because we were taught not to talk about money. But myself, I'm trying to break myself out of that because only black people, well, I'm not gonna say only black people, but people of the lower economic status, like people who are not rich, we're the only ones who were told not to speak about money. It's rude. But guess what? Rich people talk about money amongst themselves all the time. So we have to mentally break away from that, saying that, oh, it's rude to talk about money. Let's talk about money within our community. Let's talk about finances. Let's talk about investing. Let's talk about 401k, how to have your high yield savings account. Let's talk about it and talk about it with our kids, and let's break this generational cycle of having poor relationship with money. Okay. Hope everything is good with you guys. Hope this video really helped you. Again, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys so very much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. God bless, love, and peace.